This was part of the reinforcement for the bow pulpit, the toothpick. It's kind of crumbling. Oh, it's fell. A bunch of stuff that's fell. It's coming out in pieces here, as you can see. I started to think maybe not all the plywood was bad, but then and then all of a sudden I could see a toilet down here in the head. So just reassurance we're doing the right thing, and hopefully this gives you and your wife some reassurance too. As you can see, there's a lot of this is canvas that'll come up. Actually, you can see your seams. You can see that I've got plywood just rolling up with my hands. Yeah, that's going through the plywood layers. So, anyway, it's coming right along.